Ventura is a classic SoCal beach town located just 45 minutes away from my home in the West San Fernando Valley. And today, I was on a mission to soak up some garden scenery, so I decided to scope out the Mission San Buenaventura. Like everywhere we have visited during this unusual summer, it was a unique experience.
Let's go to the gift shop, check it out. Every now and then when I'm in Ventura, I like to check out the Mission, and today's one of those days.
All that remains of the original Mission is the church and its garden. A small museum sits at the Mission with displays of Chumash Indian artifacts and Mission-era items. Located in the historic heart of downtown Ventura, Mission San Buenaventura is one of the very few California missions that had the center of business and commerce remain at the location where the mission was established. We even learned how olive oil is made during our visit.
Wow, it's pretty cool. How they used to make olive oil. Probably still do.
Outside, the gardens were radiant with a kaleidoscopic blast of bright colors. Oh, sorry folks. You gotta pay to come into play.
About to head into Pyrano's. Get something deliciano.
Our next stop was the Pyrano Market, also known as Pyrano's Grocery and Pyrano Store, which is housed in a historic building across the street from the Mission. This welcoming red brick structure was built in 1877 and features ornamental relief brickwork and a mansard Spanish Revival tile roof. They also sell delicious food, which is why we were here on this occasion. As I continued my explorations up and down Ventura's Main Street, it was evident to me that the changes made had been good ones and, at least by appearances, had given a boost of activity to the area.
What's that up front? Ooh, it's a big beach chair.
I was in town for some business and wanted to have a look around to see what had changed recently. Since I last visited about a month ago, the iconic Main Street relaunched as a pedestrian area, and the results were nothing short of vibrant.
Ooh, whoa, what's back here? Hello. Good, good. Line 4, Limon y Sal, Mexican eatery. And we're off to the beach.
But first,
in Ventura and figuring out what we're about to eat. So much to choose from.
So I'm gonna get the pud katim, and you're gonna get the Penang curry, right? I'm thinking of trying also too these roti Thai crepes. We'll see how those go. I'm gonna ask what those are. Yummy.
and of course, no visit to Ventura is complete without a trip to the beach, which is why we were headed there next to end the day.
Taking a break by the side of the road here at Hobson County Park in Ventura. Lovely day, surfers out, surf is great. It's really beautiful, crowded, but lovely.
Hey everyone, I hope you've enjoyed tagging along during our visit to Ventura, and we welcome you to join us again for another episode of Captivating California. Oh, by the way, my name is Joseph Zender, and I'm your host here at Captivating California. Ciao, baby.